guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share the video, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. Things are beginning to look a little better, although the CRTs are a little bit high threshold, but it's still something. At least things are coming back. And make sure you link your email to your CVS account. That way you might get the next purchase CRT, because that's what's really helping right now. With the ones I got, I was able to grab all these items for free and a $3 money maker. Let me show you guys how I did it. First deal I'll talk about will be on the Aveeno Personal Care and also Neutrogena. You can do either one. It's on spend 30 get $10 bag, and it's also on sale for buy one get one 40% off. So what I will do is pick up two of the $10.29. One of them will be full price and the second one will be 40% off. And I also pick up two of the $8.99 ones. One of them will be full price and the second one will be 40% off. And I'll use a $2 paper coupon for each one of them, for three of them, and the remaining one I will use a digital coupon everybody's supposed to have, and that will bring it down to $17.84. I will pay that and get $10 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta, $2 for each one of them. That will give me $8 back. It will end up being free and a 16-cent money maker. Let me put everything together and I'll show you the coupons I'll be using for this transaction. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction, and I have a 5 off of 30 net purchase CRT. That's what will actually help me bring it down to $17.84. And these are the paper coupons I'll be adding, and also a $2 digital coupon. So let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. Everything worked out fine. All the coupons and the CRT came off, and I used $17 extra care box, paid 84 cents out of pocket, and I got my $10 back. And I also submitted to Ibotta and I got $8 back for buying 4, making all this free and a 16-cent money maker. My next transaction will be on the Select Dove or Degree Personal Care deal. This is a tier deal. Either you buy 2, you get $4 back, or you buy 3, you get $7 back. It does not track. You have to do them in a single transaction. What I will be doing is picking up 2 of the Dove shampoo and 2 of the Dove conditioners. 2 of them will be full price and 2 of them will be half off. I will also be using a 3 off of 2 paper coupon from the 821 savings set. If you don't have that, because this expired on the 9th, you can use from this month's Unilever. There is another 3 off of 2. And I also received a 3 off of 15 Dove CRT that will also apply to this. When all the coupons and the CRTs come off, I'll end up paying just $6.57 and I'll get back $7, making all 4 items free and a 43-cent money maker. And remember, we have the Epic Beauty going on. So since I'm spending almost $16, I'll also be getting around $1.60 back with the Epic Beauty. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'll be adding this Suave deal to the Dove transaction. It's an unadvertised deal of when you buy 2, you get $3 back, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. I will be using a $1.50 off of 2 paper coupon I got from Unilever email. Sign up and they will randomly send you emails with coupons in them. And we also have a 50 cents in our app that will double dip and take off $2. I will end up paying just $3.24 and I'll get $3 back, making both items just 24 cents or 12 cents each. Let me go check out and I will show you guys my receipt. Everything worked out fine. The coupons for the Dove all came off, and also the Dove double dipped. The 150 and the 50 cents came off, and I ended up using just $9 extra care box, paid 79 cents out of pocket, got my $7 back for the Dove, and also the $3 back for the Suave, making this whole transaction free and a 21-cent money maker. My next transaction will be on the spend 30 get $10 back on the P&G products. I will do a very simple one. I'll pick up 8 of the Febreze air freshener at $4.99, and it's also on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off. And I'll be using 4 of the BOGO coupon from September P&G. Let me put all the items together and the coupons and I will show you guys. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this spend 30 get $10 bag. 8 of the Febreze air freshener, and I'll use 4 of the BOGO coupon, and the maximum amount is $3.30. This will depend on the amount your cashier put in. If you put in the full price, that will be better. And we also have a $3.30 app coupon that will double dip with all this. I have a 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT, and this came up to $29.94. My store follows the 98% rule, so I'm able to use this. For the 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT, I will try to pick up items that I know that I'm getting for free. That way all the $4 will apply to this. Let me go add more items and I will show you guys which items I picked up. Next item I will be adding to the 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT will be the L'Oreal Elvive. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, and it's on sale for 2 for $9. So I'll pick up 2 and I'll use this 3 off of 2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. It will also double dip with the digital coupon everybody got today of 3 off of 2. You end up paying just $3 and get back $4, making both items free and a $1 money maker. And this will also track towards the Epic Beauty, giving you back 90 cents. So this will end up being free and a $1.90 money maker. I'll be adding this L'Oreal deal with the 2 transactions I just mentioned. It's on the deal of spend 12, get $4 back. I will pick up the liquid lipstick at $11.99. That's within the 98% rule, so make sure your store follows that. I'll use this $2 paper coupon. We have one in our app, but mine wasn't working. It attached when I scanned the product, but when I checked out, it wasn't coming up, so I used the paper coupon. I also have a $2 mystery coupon we all received last week. I got a 3 off of 12 cosmetics CRT text message CRT that also apply to this. When all the CRTs and the coupon comes off, I'll end up paying just $4.99 and I'll get $4 back. And this will also track towards the Epic Beauty and give me back $1.02, making both items free and just a 2 cents money maker. And if you have not reached your beauty for the month, this also tracks towards it. Let me go check out and I'll show you guys my receipt. Back with my receipt and everything worked out as planned. The only thing different is I picked up 2 Crest toothpaste. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back and it's priced at $4.49. Those are full price. So I ended up using a 3 off of 2 digital coupon everybody have and a 2 off of 2 paper coupon from September PNG. If you don't have that, there is one in our app that will double dip with that. You will end up paying just $3.98 if you're doing this by itself, and you get back $5, making both items free and a $1.02 money maker. Now let's look at how all my coupons are applied. All the coupons came off. The BOGO coupon for the Febreze, all of them came off. That's the $3.30 you're looking at. And where it says Febreze Air, that's the one from the app that double dipped. Everything applied as it was supposed to. The 4 off of 40. The 3 off of 12 text message CRT came off, and also the $2 mystery coupon we got back last week. I ended up using just $21 extra care box, paid 39 cents out of pocket, and I got back all my extra care box. These are the extra care box I got with this transaction. You can see the $10 for the spend 30 get $10 back, and the $5 is for the Crest buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 2 in case you want to do more. And the $4 is for the L'Oreal Elvive buy 2 get $4 back, and also the L'Oreal Cosmetics buy spend 12 get $4 back. I hope you enjoyed or you got something out of this video, and if you do, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.